If you are encountering issues with Microsoft Phone Link not functioning correctly on your Windows 11 device, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take directly within the Windows settings. Begin by searching for Phone Link in the Windows search bar. Once you locate the Phone Link application, click on App Settings, which you will find in the right-hand pane. Within the app settings, scroll down until you see the option to terminate the application. Select this option to stop all running processes associated with Phone Link. After terminating the app, you will see a button labeled Repair. Click on Repair to initiate the repair process for the Phone Link application. You will know the repair is successful when you see a tick mark next to the repair option. If the issue persists even after repairing, your next step is to consider resetting the application. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.